Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today is Unboxing Wednesday. Yes, you heard it right. May schedule na ako. Every midweek, I'm going to vlog about lifestyle, fashion, product review, unboxing, and on weekends, I'm going to vlog about food, cooking, home, or garden if you want to see. And for today, let's go with the unboxing. This is actually a gift for myself for Valentine's Day. I have a schedule on when to buy this kind of gift for myself. Like for example, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthday. So, ito lang yung mga panahon na bumibili ako ng mga ganitong items. I don't spend this kind of money on a normal day. So, only this 3 special time of the year that I'm willing to splurge and gift myself. Paminsan-minsan, kailangan nating regaluhan yung sarili natin. Next. I was actually hesitant to do this unboxing on cam kasi during this time may pandemic, maraming walang trabaho, tapos ako nag-unbox ng ganitong luxury items, 'di ba? Pero nag-request yung best friend ko from Canada. Hi Sisi, if you're watching, hello. Okay, presenting. Yes. So this is the paper bag. Actually si seller nilagay niya sa loob ng brown paper bag kasi pinalala-move lang siguro for security purposes. Tapos ito yung nasa loob. So nabuksan ko na to syempre kasi kailangan kong i-check kung good ba yung item o hindi. Kasi meron lang 24 hours to return. So nabuksan ko na siya but I tried my best to wrap the product again to do this on cam. This is the famous flower. Hindi siya actually paper. Medyo velvet yung texture niya. But it's just a flower. Okay, let's open. So inside, meron siyang pinadala na receipt. Receipt from the seller. By the way, the seller name is Fashion Curator Manila. Ilalagay ko yung link niya sa baba, nasa Instagram. So, Fashion Curator Manila. Thank you card. Tapos may mga return policy. Nandito rin yung mga contacts. And then the box. Tapos naglagay pa siya ng maraming ribbon. And this is the box. Excited ako dito sa item na to kasi nga ito yung first ever piece from this brand that I will own. Oh my gosh. Okay. And here's the pouch. And nandito yung receipt. Actually, itong card, authenticity card, nandun to sa loob. So, nung binaksan ko, nilagay ko na lang dito para hindi mawala. Okay, let's put this away. Yung pouch niya, velvet din yung texture. Although cloth lang din naman siya. Tapos cotton yung sa loob. And this is the taran! Chanel zippy Chanel O coin purse. Yun yung tawag niya. Guys, ang ganda niya. Akala ko dati, matigas yung caviar leather. Pero, malambot pala siya. Mukha lang siyang matigas. Kaya siya tinawag na caviar. Kasi, yung texture niya, yung parang itlog ng isda. Caviar, di ba? Gold hardware. Tapos, nandito ito yung zipper. So, sa loob, meron siyang 3 compartments. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, naka-cloth. Cloth yung loob niya. Leather naman yung sa sides. This is made in France. Burgundy color. Yung interior. Tapos, nandito sa loob ang code. Yung number. So, 3 compartments. Tapos, meron dito sa likod na pwede din lagyan ng card. So, siguro kapag ginagamit ko na siya, dito ko lalagay yung mga parking tickets or receipts na pang mabilisan. Dyan ko na siya ilalagay. Ano naman kaya ang kasya sa loob? Diba? Tingnan natin. So, sa ngayon, ito yung gamit ko. Furla. Matibay to. 4 years na. Hindi pa rin siya nasisira, oh. So, let's see if all the items I have here in my old wallet will fit to this new wallet. So, here, I will probably put my most used cards. So, ito yung credit card, ATM, and then, in the middle, I will put my rewards card. So, siguro mga 10 cards to. Tingnan natin kung kasya. So, I will put this here in the middle. Medyo tight fit, pero kasya pa rin siya. Tapos, dito sa pinakadulo, dito ko ilalagay yung insurance card, driver's license, yung hindi ko laging ginagamit. Ayan, kasya naman siya. Medyo tight fit. Hindi pa ako naglagay ng money. Kasya bang money? Hindi siya kasya, guys. Ayan. Kasi kung ipipilit ko isara, may ipit siya. Sayang naman yung bill. So, I will fold it into half. So, 4 times fold. Then, I will put there. Ayan. Ayan, kasya naman siya. Kailangan nyo lang i-arrange. Ayan. Kasya. Gaano ba siya kalaki? Kung halimbawa, ilalagay ko siya sa bag. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Paano ba? Ganyan lang siya kaliit. So, sobrang kasyang-kasya siya sa bag mo. So, parang wala lang nangyari. So, that's it you guys for my Wednesday unboxing. And I hope to see you again next week. Bye!